Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. So recently I met few students in an IT company where they were attending the recruitment drive. And after their aptitude test, I asked them this question like, how your aptitude test go? And the answers were, few were like, if I got 10-15 more minutes, I would have cracked it. And then few were like, oh, the aptitude was really tough. And then some were like, the time was not enough. I just missed the entire section. I know. These are some common dialogues we all have heard who have attempted aptitude tests. So 90% of students who have attended an aptitude test feels the same way. So now the question we should ask ourselves is how the remaining 10% get through. So I'm here with 4 tips which will help you to clear an aptitude exam or any competitive exam. Tip number 1, understand the pattern and syllabus. Aptitude test generally consists of quantitative ability, data interpretations, English, reasoning, and general awareness. Now, I would like to stress here, not all companies have the same pattern. Every IT company tests their own skills in aptitude test. Some give more weightage to verbal, some give more weightage to quant, some to DI and DS. So once you understand the pattern and syllabus, the next thing you should know is the difficulty level and what sort of questions they ask in their aptitude test. Tip number 2, make a preparation strategy. To succeed in any exam, we should have a preparation strategy. You need to allocate your time, that how much time you want to give to get trainings, reading concepts, practicing, revision, and then giving mock tests. So always remember, preparing in a structured way always gives you an edge in any competitive exam. Tip number 3, smart approach to score more. Sometimes in some competitive exams, they not look at your aggregate score. What they look at is your score in individual sections. So even if you are a top scorer and you haven't scored enough in a particular section, you're still a failed candidate. Also in aptitude, some section or subsection give you more marks in less time. So you should focus on those areas while your preparation and in exam. Because what really matters is your score. It doesn't matter if you have scored attempting difficult questions or easy questions. Tip number 4 is practice. When we say practice, 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 most of the students do not know what to practice and how to practice. The ideal practice method is applicable for students who start practicing 3 to 6 months before any competitive exam. Regular practice always helps you remembering your concept, which in turn helps you in your exam. Practice can give an extra mark advantage to an average student over an intelligent student who does not practice. Remember that practice is always a foundation to success. Cricket players are best examples. Even after scoring many tons, the greatest player also practice before the tournament. So let me do a quick recap of the tips which I have just shared. Tip number 1, understand the pattern and syllabus. Tip number 2, make a preparation strategy. Tip number 3, smart approach to score more. And tip number 4, practice. I hope you guys like this video and I hope that these tips really help you scoring good in your aptitude exams. I will come back with more videos. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.
Do you wish to join this course? To get connected with the best trainers and training companies, visit the link.